Effect of Technology on the Environment. Ana Marcela Correa R, Group 15. I believe that there are many causes that generate global warming. Among them are carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, among others, the carbon dioxide being one of the most polluting gases that in the atmosphere. For a long time, even decades. We know this as the greenhouse effect, and which put the existence of living beings at risk. Among the causes of global warming are the combustion fossil fuels, felling of forests preventing the increase in oxygen, and industrialization, the pollution increase that lead to an increase in the use of technologies. Recommendation for improve the environment. Do not turn on the power while it is daytime. Use the car only when necessary. Clean the light bulbs. Turn off and unplug electrical and electronic appliances. Adequate disposal of garbage. Avoid deforestation. Thanks.